Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we got a special product. We have the iPad Magic Keyboard. Now, in previous iPad models, they just had the keyboard but no trackpad. But this offers the trackpad. So, obviously very excited to unbox this product. And so, let's get into it. So, first of all, when you're unboxing, fancy unboxing. Do I even need a knife? No, look, they even offered a little tab for you to use. Okay, so gonna pull this open to reveal the new product. Okay, so it's in this type of package. Still have plastic covering over it to protect it. A very interesting design. But before we get into that, let me take this out, place this to the side. So it's compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 3rd generation and 4th generation. This is how its functionality, the pivot, the hinge, that kind of stuff that it gives you. But we're all here to unbox this product. So plastic covering, off you go. Okay. So it has a more of a matte black feel to it. It is a matte black finish, in fact. Very nice. Has a little etched in Apple logo. Matte black as well. Has space for the camera for the new iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So let's keep it. This is the big reveal. There you go. There's the keyboard, some paperwork, but there is the keyboard by Apple. Obviously very nice. Of course, all Apple products are nice. Probably why the price is a little low. Anyway. So, designed by Apple in California. iPad Magic Keyboard. There you go. You just magnetize it to the back of this right here, and that is how it will connect. You can use the hinge like this, It's obviously very strong, meant to satisfy your needs, of course. And you charge it via this port right here. Has a Type-C connector right there, and that is how you charge it. Very nice finish. Typing on this thing has a lot of key travel, not a butterfly keyboard that you had on the previous MacBook models. So has a lot of travel. So today I got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 3rd generation model, not the newest version. So we're gonna test this out. I got an Apple Pencil 2 with it as well. So let's see how this thing works. Do you just attach it like this? There you go. It's on. You got the magnet on. very nice. Of course, keyboard lit up for me. Go. As soon as I did the functions, it has this stuff right here. It gives you a lot of travel. You can do a lot of stuff with it, of course. You can select stuff, move it around, shows stuff, shows the date, all that kind of stuff. So the controls are very similar to the new iPad, all the MacBook controls, you know, just swipe up like this. You can change by, you know, doing your 2 fingers sliding back and forth. And then if you want to take the iPad off, you just pull it. There you go. You got it right here. Very nice. You can use it any way you want to. And then when you want to attach it, hook it up. Boom. Like this. And obviously it will automatically go into position no matter how you place it on there. It will shift up, down, into the position that will allow good connectivity. So it is quick, fast, gives you a lot of features you wouldn't normally have. So there you go. The new Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro by